Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.
Distinguished business leaders, investors, and partners, it is my pleasure to share this message of support from the African Union Commission to the Sustainable Market Initiative Business Leaders Forum at COP16 in Cali, Colombia. On behalf of the African Union, I express gratitude to the SME's African Council for responding decisively to the African Union's call to action, as highlighted at the African Climate Summit, in support of implementing the African Leaders Nairobi Declaration's goal to put nature on Africa's balance sheet. The African Union supports the SME's Council's Natural Capital on African government's balance sheet initiative. By embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making clear statement Africa's natural wealth is a strategic asset for both the continent and the world. This approach not only protects biodiversity but also drives sustainable economic growth and resilience.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.